Greetings, people. This is Pink Frog Yellow Boots from Behave Youth. We work towards achieving holistic health for everybody, with our main emphasis on mental health that includes your spiritual, social, religious, personal, physical health, sexual health, technically and literally speaking, all aspects of your living. Today, I'm here to speak about the spread of coronavirus and the mindset people show towards it. We'll start with how it starts. So, the first few symptoms would be running nose, then body ache, fever, gradually loss of taste, complete or partial, loss of smell, heaviness in the chest, breathlessness, or difficulty in breathing. These would be the few things that you would notice in your physical body that would lead to a basic idea that you might be affected and infected by the virus. It has been noticed that a lot of people, even after having taken both the doses of the vaccine, are found positive on the test result. So, it is still important that all the precautions that have been mentioned need to be followed completely. Thus, it needs to be inculcated as something that we do in our daily life, or simply stating, it needs to be made a lifestyle right now. Yes, that is difficult. Social distancing, constantly wearing your mask. Hygiene is one thing that is a good part to it. So, I would request everybody to please make sure that they are taking proper precautions and maintaining a good hygiene. Now, moving to the mindset, I encountered a lot of people or people in the family of the infected person that they are very reluctant to accept the fact that it is going to be very crucial and serious if somebody gets affected. Also, now it is seen as a difficult thing to be revealed to people. Nobody wants to tell people they are positive or somebody in their family is positive. Also, people are thinking about their current responsibilities, that they have certain things to still accomplish, finish in the coming period, that is the short term time, and they are delaying their diagnosis or treatment because they fear that they would be quarantined and things would just lay there without being completed. It is important that not just for yourself, but so that you don't become a carrier and pass it on to other people. You be mindful and follow the quarantine period. You might survive it, somebody might not. I've recently seen a few people getting very serious and not making it through the virus. So it is important that we really pay attention. Anybody who is going through cough, cold, fever should be isolated. Take care of yourself. It might be your closest person, it might be the maid, it might be the employer, it might be a close friend. It is important, it might be your colleague who is having these symptoms, but simply because they are not showing all the symptoms, it is not that they might not be infected. It is important and it is quite wise right now to take it as they might be they might be infected by the virus. Also, if you see those symptoms, it is important that whatever short term things that you need to accomplish, fulfill, complete, may be done later. Somebody might lose their life and that will never happen, that you might bring them back to life. They would be somebody's family, they would be the sole owner of the family, or whatever it might be. A life is far more important than anything short term or long term that needs to be fulfilled, completed, or achieved. So, getting through that mindset, anybody tells you, okay, fine, I've got a cold, cough, or fever, make sure right now it is important that you care for them from a distance, from afar, and let the medical team The healthcare workers do the necessary things because they are the most equipped and the most credible people to deal with it. It is important that we follow whatever steps have been given. We take very for granted how easy it is to breathe, how easily you can smell things, taste things. Once you are infected, your body starts rejecting all those things. You will not be able to smell, you will not be able to taste, your breathing would become heavy, you won't understand how to breathe. So, paying attention to that, paying attention to yourself and the well being of the people around you, whether related to you or not, it is important that we all become more aware and more responsible in dealing with this particular pandemic right now. Or else the lockdowns would keep on increasing, and in case the lockdowns don't happen, everybody's life will keep on being on stake. It is not important that you lose somebody, then you realize how important the basic precautions are. Wishing everybody a happy and a healthy mental health. Take care, people.